Becoactin tablets are a widely recognized combination medication, primarily containing cyproheptadine hydrochloride alongside a range of multivitamins. This product is most often used as an appetite stimulant and a nutritional supplement, particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with poor appetite, underweight conditions, or nutritional deficiencies. Cyproheptadine, the main active ingredient, is an antihistamine known for its appetite-boosting effects, while the included vitamins, such as vitamin A, B complex, C, D, and E, help address various nutritional gaps. Becoactin is also sometimes used in the management of allergic conditions, thanks to its antihistamine properties. Common side effects include drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, constipation, and increased appetite, which may lead to weight gain. Rare but serious reactions, such as blurred vision or confusion, can occur. It's important to use Becoactin only under medical supervision, especially